friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today, I will share with you a new video special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of whitening cream. I use Fair and Lovely cream. Now, mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to apply this cream on your skin and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then wash it off by a cold water. For best results, use this recipe twice a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.